Hiccups? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you got the hiccups. Yeah? Yeah. Make those hiccups go away, Daddy. They won't go away. Yeah? Do you want to go see your mama? No? Mama's like, I've been dealing with you all day. You're just crying. Just cry, cry, cry. Every day I just like to cry, cry, cry. Huh. That's all you do. You poop, you eat, you cry. Yeah, there you cry again. Yeah? Oh, yeah. I bet if I walk around you'll stare at everything, huh? Yeah, I bet you will. Oh, I see a little smile. I see a little smile. Oh no, that's not a smile. What? What? I know, the hiccups make you miserable. You cranky, you ready for bed? You gotta stay awake so you can sleep tonight, so Mama can sleep. Say bye-bye, Callie. Say bye-bye. Wave.